Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to quantize your music and tracks in GarageBand for iPhone. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can go ahead and make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand iPhone application if you haven't already, and after opening up, it's going to go ahead and load up this screen where you can go ahead and get started with selecting the track that you want to use. So here are my files. We can go ahead and click the plus button right here in the upper right corner to go ahead and get started with adding a track. And now we can go ahead and select what kind of track we want. We can either choose the audio recorder, or we can go ahead and get started with playing an instrument and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can quantize our tracks. The first thing is to go ahead and open up your tracks. I'm going to click the recording right here, and now we can get started with recording and quantizing. So basically guys, after selecting your track, it's going to go ahead and open up this page where we can get started with managing our recording. So guys, go ahead and select your recording. You can either go ahead and get started with recording yourself, or you can just go ahead and insert a track that you want to use. And after opening it up guys, now what we want to do is go ahead and click the manage option right here in the upper left corner. So in the upper left corner, we'll have the audio recorder options. After clicking this button that looks like three sliders, it's going to open up this new section right here where we can manage our audio recording guys. And basically, if you want to quantize your track, what you want to do is go into track settings. Currently, I have not opened up a track that can be quantized, but if you have your track open and you want to quantize it here right under track settings, it's going to appear an option that says quantize. So you want to go ahead and click on quantize, and this is now going to enable you to go ahead and manage your track and quantize it how you like. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.